Inventory check on aisle 4 complete.
Moving to the next pallet.
I need the high-strength coils from aisle 7.
The forklift just moved them to staging area 3.
Die pressure stable at 5,000 psi.
Acknowledged. Beginning next cycle.
Automated material analysis active. All incoming shipments cleared for processing.
Scan complete on Unit 4B. The tolerances are within acceptable parameters.
Readings are stable across the Z-axis. Confirmed. Microfracture sensors show green.
In the heart of the machine, raw power meets precision. We forge the future, one massive sheet at a time.
Automated component stamping sequence active. Tolerance levels nominal. Warning, high pressure cycle engaged.
Precision engineering on a massive scale. This is the future of automotive manufacturing, where steel meets its destiny.
Absolute precision. Cutting-edge technology. Defining the future of steel. Heat treatment sequence initiated. Target temperature achieved. Cycle progressing normally.
Sequence 7 initiated. All parameters are within tolerance. The next batch is ready for stamping.
Forming sequence initiated. Pressure stabilized. Cycle complete.
Automated welding procedure active. All personnel remain clear of the beta zone.
The intricate labyrinth of the curing oven ensures perfection. A nebulized mist settles, creating a flawless mirror.
The diamond-coated wheel achieves a surface finish previously thought impossible, showcasing the microscopic detail required for aerospace tolerances.
Component synchronization complete. Proceed to chassis integration. Precision engineering, where human expertise meets robotic synchronization. Every component is installed with surgical accuracy. Station 4. Confirm crankshaft alignment.
Alignment confirmed. Proceeding with torque sequence.
The tolerances on the new block are exact. Watch the gear alignment.
Precision engineering requires uncompromising inspection. Only when every contour is verified does it earn the badge.
Finalizing the inspection of the alloy components. All readings confirm optimal performance metrics. Precision engineering, meticulously inspected. The heart of the ultimate driving machine.
The surgical precision here is paramount, ensuring the integrity of the drivetrain's polished surfaces. The ultimate driving machine requires the ultimate finish. Precision engineered for perfection. Assembly line 4 is now reaching optimal polishing temperature. Quality check initiated.
Where robotic choreography meets human discernment, ensuring every surface achieves a flawless, mirror-like finish.
Ensure the alignment is perfect before the torque sequence begins.
Confirmed. The fuel rail is secured.
Did you check the torque on cylinder 3?
Yes, it's within spec.
The precision valve is installed, followed by the automated seating of the fuel injection system.
Stand by for ignition.
Reading stable.
Go ahead, engaging dyno sequence.
Power tested. Precision perfected. This is the Brooklyn Gray M3 at full throttle.
Maintaining redline approach. Monitor all temps.
Power output increasing exponentially. Chassis stable.
Maintaining 7,000 RPMs. Temperature stable.
Copy that. Checking fuel pressure now.
Approaching redline in 3, 2, 1.
Data looks clean, slight timing pull on cylinder 4.
In our sterile environment, precision engineering ensures a flawless finish, cured by the warmth of infrared light. The obsidian finish undergoes final inspection before the protective clear coat application. Maintain pressure. Ensure even distribution before the transition to the curing stage.
Steering wheel module successfully integrated. Proceeding to next station.
Inspected by the human touch. The new standard of luxury. The airflow over the contour is flawless.
Confirmed. Minimal particulate accumulation. The depth of the obsidian coat is exceptional. Flake distribution is uniform across the panel.
Precision engineering
meets unparalleled design. The BMW M Performance Package.
Meticulously assembled. Every carbon fiber detail, every curve, perfected for the drive ahead.
Check the torque settings on the suspension. Done.
Moving to the panoramic roof seal.